Hi viewers, in this video we are going to see about option pair trading. First of all, we have to know what is pair trading. So pair trading is a combination of buying one option and selling one option. So by this way the options are got hedged. So this became a neutral strategy. Because since this is a fully hedged strategy, our risk is very less. But we have to consider, because we are selling one option and we are buying another option at two different symbols, not at the same symbol. Because of that, the margin will be higher. So the trading will be happening once or twice in a month. So there is no big adjustment needed. So let me see the live example today. So for this example, I am just considering HDFC Bank and the Bank Nifty. So most common method I am suggesting is selling HDFC Bank option and buying Bank Nifty option. So let's see how we can do it. See here, why I have taken HDFC Bank is because the weightage of HDFC Bank is very high. That is about 29%. So that's why I just prefer HDFC Bank. We can do it in any other banks also. Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, the fundamentals remain same. So let's see how we can calculate in the HDFC Bank for the pair calculation. So we can see HDFC Bank, the last Friday closing price is 1033.25. So lot size is 550. So what I have taken? I have taken one at the money and one out of the money. Same call side and the put side. So we can see 1030 call option, that is trading at 45.70. So that is coming around 25,135. Same for 1040 call, that is trading around 40.90 paisa into 550 lot size, that is coming 22,495. Same for 1030 put option, that is trading around 39.20 into lot size, that is coming around 21,560. Same for 1040 put option, that is trading around 44.50 into lot size, that is coming around 24,475. So these are the net premium amount. So 550 is the lot size into the last traded price, we are getting the net premium. Okay. So how we can find the strike? So here, so basically we have to sell or buy the call options. Either we can buy HDFC Bank option and sell Bank Nifty put option, or we can sell the HDFC Bank option, or we can buy the HDFC call or put option. Everything is possible. Okay. In this video, I am giving the best possibility how we can make a good money out of this hedged pairs. First, we have find out all the premium table, right? So now we have to find out the relative price when we compare with the HDFC Bank and the Bank Nifty. So for that, so we know here actually these are our prices. Okay, with this premium price, we are going to find out the Bank Nifty strike prices. Okay, for that I made a simple calculation. So see here, this is HDFC Bank. So whatever it is remains same. So what I have done, see here, this is a 1030 call option. This is the price. So what I have done, I just divided by the lot size of the Bank Nifty. When I divide by the lot size of the Bank Nifty, okay, I am getting one price. Okay, that is about 1005. It's a very easy to understand. First is a 1030 call option. I have taken the price and multiplied by the lot size. I got one value. This is the premium, actual premium. So what I have done, I divided the premium by the Bank Nifty lot size. So with this one, I am getting Bank Nifty premium. With this premium, I am going to derive the strike price. So I have done the same calculation for all the 4 strikes, the 2 call option and 2 put options. So for 1030 call, I am getting a premium of 1005, and 1040 call, I am getting a premium of 899, and for 1030 put, I am getting 862. And 1040 put, I am getting 975. Based on this, I am going to find out the Bank Nifty strikes. The last example, I derived all the premium for the Bank Nifty. So with this one, I have derived the strike price. So in the first one, we can see 1030 call. This is the, again I am just repeating. This is first is 1030 call. This is a premium into lot size equal to, we are getting one premium. I am dividing by the Bank Nifty lot size, I am getting one premium. We have to just match this premium with the Bank Nifty strike. So when I just match with this 2-1, I am getting one combination, right? So 1005 is present in 21,400 of the Bank Nifty. After 899 is present in 21,600 of the Bank Nifty. 862 premium is available in 21,700 put. 975 premium present in 21,900 put. So based on this, I have derived the final result. It shows every 10 rupee movement in the HDFC Bank Nifty movie 200 points. Okay, is everything clear? So in our next video, I'll give you a complete detail about how we can hedge with this position. So what are the combination of strikes we can choose? Everything I'll just explain in detail. If you don't understand the video, again you can just replay it and just make sure you are understanding well better. So next video will be very simple to understand. So with this calculation, you can do a pair trading for all the scripts which are trading in options and futures.